Assalamualaikum, my name is Haikal and we are about to discuss the functionality and features of the main mobile app. The app is called Hazard Crowdsourcing. So basically what this app does is display latest news and information to users, and the map is displayed with the map marker feature. So when you first launching the app, you are going to see a visualized loading screen that shows its logo and a minor visual about what the app is about based on the map marking animation. So when finished loading, the app will land on the home page. So as you can see, the color theme for the mobile app is green, while the text is contrast to the green color. This color is chosen because mobile apps with high contrast colors help to provide a user experience of clear visual impact. The homepage is about displaying the latest news and information. Okay, from the top, the header is purposely highlights the title of the app and followed by a copyright icon. So when you click the copyright icon, it will display the latest copyright information. So this header will be placed across all main pages. It is also in About Us page too. Back to the home page, the news and information are displayed in a vertical style of scrolling menu, and user can swipe down to see more latest news divided into each of their own source. In each news card, it will display the title of the news, the source, and the time passed after it got published. So to indicate that the most latest news is displayed at the top, user can refer to the time passed after it got uploaded. For example, this news said it was published 1 hour ago. User can also search for specific news by using the search bar. For example, I want to know more about the latest James Gunn movie, The Suicide Squad. So I will type Suicide Squad in the search field to start and click the green search icon to finish. The news will display the most accurate result to the search query first and then followed by related news below. The only thing that makes this news feature possible is by integrating the News API into this mobile app. Okay, moving on to the map display. User can click the GPS or location icon in the middle of the navigation bar. So when you arrive here, you will see a full screen of geographical map display with country labels and state. So it is made possible by integrating Google Maps API. So as you can see, there are 4 blue markers in Malaysia. So each blue marker represents one hazard was reported. So for example, if user click on one of the blue marker, it will display the hazard name and a short description of the hazard, the reporter name who reported the hazard, the time and date of when the hazard happened. So this hazard information was updated in the server-side form that my friend Isla will demonstrate to you in a second. So basically, this map can only view information based on hazards that has been reported and published on the server and marked into each of their own hazard location based on the registered latitude and longitude. So going back to the home page, we can navigate to the About Us page from here. So the first thing you will see is the horizontal list of the group team. You can swipe to see more about the team's profile picture and full name. When you click to one of the team, it will display their group, program code, and faculty name. Next, there is a paragraph that explains about the app's feature and functions, and where you can get the source code. So, and finally, a link to the GitHub page. By clicking the GitHub icon, it will redirect you to a GitHub repository page to see the source code for this app, and it is displayed in a selected browser. Okay, that is all for the mobile app discussion on the hazard crowdsourcing app. So now we'll pass the presentation to Isla to explain about the server-side form. Thank you.
Yeah, Haikal, for that information. Okay, what you're seeing right now is the server-side form for the main mobile application. In this web application UI, administrator can key in a new type of hazard with its description, the GPS coordinator where the hazard happened, the time and dates, and with the name of reporter who witnessed the hazard. Okay. In each of the input fields, it will have their own placeholder to indicate admin that this box is for type of hazard, while this box is for the reporter name, and the rest of it has the same purpose. Now, for example, if a new type of hazard is reported, admin can simply type fire hazard. Fire hazard is a mishap that could be either a man-made or natural type of hazard, so it's need a description. Simply continue type in the same input field, such as woman was burned to death after the event. She was in burst into flame due to accident. Okay. By typing the description, they can know the effect on the cause of the hazard. Now, for hazard location, admin can simply put the latitude and the longitude to get the most accurate location. For example, the fire hazard happened on the main road in Kuala Kangsar, Perak. So the coordinates extracted from Google Maps will be such as 4.772424. While for the latitude and for the longitude, it will be 100 and so on. Okay. The mobile application will read this coordinate and mark the location on the map in the most accurate way. Now, for the date and time. Okay. Admin can just put the exact time and date according to the reporter. They can just simply click the calendar icon to choose the month, day, and years. We will put this on June 15. Now, for time, admin can click the clock icon to choose the exact hour and minutes of when the hazard happened. We can simply choose it on 7 a.m. and and lastly, the reporter full name will be written here to acknowledge the person who is responsible in reporting the hazard. I will put it my name, Muhammad Islah. Okay. When all details are filled, simply click the report button to finish reporting and save, and it will save the information in the hazard database. And it will show the pop-up the data instead that the data successfully inserted, and simply click OK. And we will return to the web. Now, the question is, to view all the previous hazard report, the admin can simply click View Report, and the web application will display the list of hazard reported before with their details such as date, time, latitude, the longitude, reporter name, and hazard description. As you can see on this, and the map marker on the mobile application will also refer to this information to retrieve it and display the type of hazard, time, and date of hazard is reported and who reported the hazard. That's all.